Welcome to one of the premier cattle ranches in the Midwest, an exceptional 3,005-acre working ranch, just 44 miles south of Tulsa, Oklahoma. This cow, calf, and stocker operation is a rare blend of beauty and productivity with all the infrastructure for day-to-day operations. This ranch is both rural and easily accessible. The normal stocking rate is 650 pair, 250 to 350 stockers, and yields 600 to 700 round bales annually. Forage includes Bermuda, native grasses, little blue stem, vetch, clovers, and fescue. With 46 stock ponds, a 15-acre lake, seasonal streams, and a creek that winds from north to south, water is plentiful. The lake is breathtaking and provides a water source as well as a peaceful, private retreat for wildlife and recreation. Residences include the main home, an impressive 4,200-plus square foot, two-story stone residence perched atop a scenic hill. Enjoy panoramic views, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a large deck for relaxing, a spacious kitchen, private office, lots of storage, and walk out to a covered patio on the lower level, all overlooking a serene pond and much of the ranch. There is also a solid 1,612 square foot brick foreman's house and a small guest house or a possible rental. The headquarters include a full set of steelworking pens with covered chute and round tub, loadouts for pots and trailers, and a 60 by 120 hay shed built in 2019, a barn with stalls, and a shop. Wildlife abounds. Whitetail deer, turkey, quail, dove, and other native species thrive here, making this not just a ranch, but a private natural sanctuary. The fencing, steel T-posts, metal gates, and barbed wire is in good condition. Livestock markets, vets, and ag-related suppliers are all close by for convenience. Ranches of this size and caliber are few and far between. For a private tour or more information, contact Sandy Brock Bar at 918-470-4710 or toll free at 844-WCRLAND. Don't miss your chance to own a legacy property.